too hot. Girl, follow me like Ansala.
Go on and talk to them.
Okay, guys, it's Davia. How you doing? Wait, how should I hold this? Like up here or?
Anywhere you feel comfy.
Baby love, lad, me a vlog on their things. Anyway, welcome guys to Rochelle's YouTube channel. She is here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm gonna show her a little good time. She's not here for a long time, just a fun time, okay? So, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm done. I am ready. So this is my humble abode. I would show you guys, but you know. Yes, so Rochella's getting ready. She has her Fenty. Where she at? Where she at? Okay. So she has her Fenty foundation, her Real Techniques. She's doing mascara. Walk them through it. Come on, Rochelle.
Stupid.
But guys, make sure what you magnify, you manifest. So I always write stuff on my mirror because when you wake up in the morning and you look at your gorgeous self and you see how God has blessed you with such beauty, you have to work on that inner beauty as well. So post something nice to read to yourself every single day. Start your day nice, fresh. That way nobody can talk to you. Yes, I mean?
Yeah.
Don't it?
Yeah.
You run. Yeah.
You need to tell people who you are. They don't know who you are.
Guys, almost so rude. What manners? I go. I say go. Lord have mercy, mama.
You can bend into another.
Oh, you sure?
So,
Oh, okay. So guys, my name is Davia. Right, so my Instagram is Daviatorchin. So Daviator.
And why is that?
Because I'm an aviator.
Hey.
I am a pilot, so I'm in school right now studying to be a certified flight instructor. So that way I can, like, you know, teach people to fly. Hopefully the next time Rochelle comes, we can go flying for her vlog. Sky vlog, okay?
Yeah.
Sky vlog.
I'm done. Tell them who you are to me.
I am Rochelle's best friend. Guys, listen. We have been best friends since kindergarten 1. Kindergarten 1. So since we're like 2.5 years old, 3 years old, we've been friends. Look here. That banya, this is an umbilical cord.
Hey.
You can't get rid of this.
Hey.
You can't test this. So yes, guys, just a little bit of background. It took me years to get Rochelle to finally come visit me.
I have never been to Atlanta. This is my first time in Atlanta. She's been trying to get me to come here
For a long time.
For a long time. She complains that I go to Florida
All the time.
But my dad.
Yeah.
And the family in there with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Family.
Yeah.
Yeah. We need to stop. Look at her. They're getting pretty.
I'm done now. Wait, but you can barely see me though. You see, I'm short. I'm always the short one, guys.
She is short.
Look, I'm always the short one. I'm 5'1.5". I'm done though.
We gonna put some heels on, you know.
I can't know heels. But I know we have to talk about Crocs. That's what
I mean,
like it.
yeah, Crocs good. Can go to Crocs. Dang. So should I? No, I'm not gonna wear no heels. Disregard.
They need some perfume. Give me some perfume to spray.
Baby love my scents. Come, let's go.
Listen.
Right here.
I didn't check a bag.
We got that
Show them.
Oh, there you go.
Come back in the light.
Oh. My light in my room, you know. Lord, me know it name apartment, but
shut up. So I didn't check a bag. I brought a carry-on bag, so I wasn't able to carry any liquids. So I don't have no perfume. So shower me with your perfume. Where you go?
Come in, camera, zoom in, like focus.
Step back.
Oh, one. Oh, see there.
Yeah.
Ah!
Come ready.
Ready? Jump.
What is it?
Miss Blooming,
Miss Dior.
Miss Dior, absolutely blooming. You know, I'm extra with everything. Okay, guys, so we're going to the Apple Store.
We're going to the Apple Store because my computer broke. So I need to go get it fixed. I hope they fix it for free.
We need to keep the family entertained.
Yeah, because I can't even edit this video because the computer is not working. So I hope that they'll fix it for free because my computer is not old. And it cost me a whole lot of money. And it's totally specced out. And can I tell you that since I started, because I started borrowing a computer to edit the last few videos, and I realized that I was taking my computer for, I took it for granted because to export one video with a 16 gigabyte RAM took like an hour and a half, but my computer takes like 5 minutes. So I was like, I need to get it because it's a 32 gigabyte RAM. I need to get it fixed because I spent some money on that.
Girl.
So we go to the Apple Store now.
And it better be for free 99. Free. Let's do this, girl.
How you guys doing? Alright, come along with us. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let me get up out there.
Go on. Hey.
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go.
You see, I am not the only crazy one.
Nah.
I think all my friends are crazy.
We were born this way.
Born this way. Beautiful. Alright, let's go. Tell us.
We are at the Avalon in Alpharetta.
In where?
Alpharetta.
Okay.
And it's in North Georgia. Nobody block my view.
Wait, I want to see. Let's go. In where?
In North Georgia.
Okay.
North.
Guys, the place is so pretty.
Yeah, look at it. Yeah, the Lululemons.
Lululemons
Yeah, I don't
over
wear
there.
those. Leggings.
I want to go to Banana Republic
Banana
afterwards.
Republic. A Pineapple Republic.
Nice. Look at booty. Big booty Judy.
Don't even bother with it. Look at her such.
Look at this kid. Hey.
Yeah, so they have like apartments up top up there.
Up where? Oh, these must be expensive, right? I can't imagine.
Honestly, I would rather buy a house than have an apartment right here.
I mean, it's right in the smack of town and a smack of things.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it because I feel like when I'm home, I want to relax.
You want to be away.
Yeah, away from all of this. But I feel like that's what you do when you have enough money and you don't know what to do with it.
Well, you just invest in properties.
Yes, be an investor.
Yeah.
Have people pay you. That's the real life.
Yes.
What? That's the rich life. Hello.
Guys, the Tesla store is right here.
I'll be buying my Tesla.
Yeah.
Soon, guys.
Yeah.
Going here and I build my Tesla.
And the
And
Apple
then I
store.
have the Model Y.
That's the van or the car?
Girl, I don't know.
I want the van.
Okay.
Apple store does always just look clean.
Always. Minimalistic.
Yeah.
Is both of the laptop that need for fix?
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're strolling the town today.
Crawl in the town.
Yo, we're in Atlanta, Georgia, and everyone here is so friendly. I love it.
Yes, that's why I love Georgia.
Yeah.
Better than New York or all them other places.
Okay,
Ooh,
it is very friendly.
Yeah.
So we just found this random spot. It's very nice. It's just in the middle of this place, and they have those what is the name? Cornhole?
Yeah.
It's cornhole game. So we're just gonna stop and play because we're heading to dinner, but before that we're just exploring. So let me show you. This is what the place looks like. We're in Avalon. We're in Avalon, by the way. So how you play now? Just stay from one end and throw. David, how you play it?
I think you just throw. Oh, they just had an engagement. Oh my gosh.
Like, oh, thank you. So I'm like, wait, hold up. Girl, I can't wait for my turn.
Someone just had an engagement. That's so cute. It's about to be your turn soon.
Girl. Goals.
Aww, it's so cute. Look at them.
That's all I want to. Nice and small and intimate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Y'all.
Alrighty.
I don't need a whole shebang, bang, bang.
Alright.
You ready to play some cornhole?
Yeah. What
Okay.
So we're just gonna throw it in that thing over there?
Throw it. Oh! Okay. Darn it.
Nope.
Only got one.
Here.
Darn it. Almost.
Not even one.
Wow.
Oh. Let's see if we can knock both of them in now.
So this is called cornhole, guys. So a lot of places that you go, they'll just have this set up. Some restaurants may have it. If you go to like parks and stuff, or like sitting areas, they'll have this stuff. You know, just something to keep you entertained, help the time, you know, go by. Girl, 2-0.
Are you seeing me?
Oh, you have one more.
Are you seeing me?
Yeah.
This is gonna be the lucky one.
Oh wow. Almost.
Just so you know, there's a reason why Davia got it in the hole. Let me tell you what.
Good aim.
So Davia is a pilot, right? So she has to have good eyesight, because she has to fly the plane in a particular path and make sure that we all land safely. So that's what's happening.
I couldn't just be talented.
No. So that's what's happening. By the way, there's gonna be another video where we're gonna talk about her and her pilot journey. So you should definitely stick around for that. She started in Jamaica and she's here doing her thing. So for those of you that need some encouragement, she got a good story.
Yes. DM me if you have any questions.
Yeah. Hi, so I'm in the Apple store now, and the guy just did his thing and scanned the serial number and all of that, and then he took it in the back because he said that he think he can revive it by hooking it up to some other computer, something like that. So I'm waiting. I really hope it works so that I can edit these videos. So I know you guys would have seen where I'm almost now 2 weeks without posting a video. This is the reason, because my computer is down. Yeah, we don't have an Apple store in Jamaica. We have an authorized dealer, but I'd much prefer to come here, which is what I did. But the Apple store is looking very Apple-y, very clean, very minimalistic. Not a lot on display. I'm very tempted to buy the iPhone 12. It just looks so good compared to mine. I'm gonna resist the temptation. My birthday is coming up in exactly a month, actually. A month and a day. It's July 2nd. My birthday is August 3rd. So, who knows? Maybe get an iPhone for my birthday. There are several things that I want for my birthday, actually. I have a birthday wish list. I'm gonna post it in the description bar below. And maybe you guys can make my wishes come true. A joke. But I'll post it down below so y'all get an idea. iPhone was never on my thing, but now I'm here. I kind of feel red eye, you know? And David over there working away. Working.
It's hard out here.
It's hard in the hood.
Literally work on the go.
On the go.
Yeah.
So we're in Best Buy now, and I'm looking at lenses. Here's my associate for today.
Hi, my name is Davia. How can I help you, miss? What you looking for today? You want a camera? You want some lens?
I'm looking for a Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens. Can you help me with that?
Yeah, man. So,
Should have a clue what that is.
so we have the lighting system over here.
A 16mm Sigma lens.
Sigma lens.
Yeah.
The lens. Jessica, do you copy? We need help over in the camera aisle. Aisle by the Sony and the Canon. What? It's a Sony? Okay.
It's a Sigma.
It's a Sigma?
Yeah.
Well, you're on a Sony, miss.
But I want a Sigma lens.
But you're on a Sony.
That's fine.
But you're on a Sony.
That's okay. I want a Sigma lens.
A Sigma lens? Okay. Yeah, let's just go on this side. Follow me.
You suck.
So we have some binoculars. These are good lenses.
No, they're not.
From afar, you know. We also have these. These are called the Nikon.
How about
cool
some
shot.
lenses? Tell me about the lens.
We were going. I was working my way down.
Okay, here's a Sigma 35mm
Right,
lens.
and that's only for $850.
But I want a 16mm.
The 16mm.
35mm.
Well, you know it's best if you go with the 35 because
Why?
the my throat hurts. the specs and the range of the vision
Of the what?
of the vision. Okay, let me give you an example. So say you're looking at this, right?
Yeah.
You can only see this with the 16mm that you want.
Uh-huh.
But with the 35, you can see this.
It's actually the opposite. The lower the number, the wider the lens.
They actually reverse that on the new releases.
This is an old lens actually. It's not
Right,
new.
but what I'm telling you, we don't sell old lenses anymore. We sell new lenses.
You suck.
We sell the latest and the greatest. Sorry, could we have some help?
You.
Sorry, I don't work in this department. What questions you have?
Shoot.
I'm looking for a Sigma 16mm lens.
Be that guy, you be next up.
Okay.
You know, Joe, man. Sorry.
Thank you.
They only make one camera guy.
So what guy are you?
One appliances.
Oh.
Okay.
Why, like the espresso appliances? Why we can't have like affordable espresso machines, like Nespresso machines? They're all like $300,000, $500,000, $600,000.
The Nespressos?
Yeah.
Well, they got some with milk frothers and then some without. The ones without, a
It's
little bit more
$700.
$700? No, it's not.
The
Like,
ones with the frosters is $2,000.
they do make some that's $2,000.
Do you have free Nespressos over there? Do
Like,
workers get free Nespressos?
We used to get free pods.
Right.
But you know, they stopped giving us free pods.
Dang, so I couldn't even ask you for an espresso.
Nah,
right
I would give you one. We used to have like Oh, is this rolling?
Trying to hustle. Follow her on YouTube. You have YouTube? Rushy Lynn.
Let me subscribe.
Yes,
so
please.
good.
Rushy Lynn, ROCHIE LIN. Yep, right there. So when you take your girlfriend to Jamaica, you just have to, turn on the notification bell. Oh
Okay.
shoot, I'm sorry.
Oh my God, all my payment information.
Sorry.
You already. We good. I'm subscribed.
So literally,
you.
when you go, you get to learn, about Jamaica, yada yada yada. So yeah.
All right, I'll be going to Jamaica soon too. So.
Yeah, so definitely watch her videos. Rushy Lynn.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi.
Hi, how can I help?
I'm looking for the Sigma 16mm.
16 millimeter?
Yeah, do you have?
I was gonna take it to that side, but you didn't want to jump.
To what side?
To this side on the Apple screen where we search for the inventory. And then we have more, right here.
They're probably here.
But you weren't being patient with me, so it was hard for me to kind of walk you through.
The only way to get it right now is to order it, unfortunately. We won't be able to have it until like the 15th as well. So if you either want to do store pickup or ship it out to the house, you have to wait till the 15th.
Gotcha. All right, thank you. So we just finished having breakfast. Still can't get over this thing, but I'm not going to stay long because copyright and music. We're about to go to Coca-Cola.
Jamaican football, not like American football. It's very nice inside. Real good architect. Virgin, the lights are red. Where you go?
The destination is on your left. Nomas, Cantina.
Oh! Eat waffles, my belly full, I'm ready for sleep.
So guys, we're now gonna visit the world of Coca-Cola, which is the Coca-Cola Museum here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm actually very excited to see it.
I want free Coca-Cola. Free Coca-Cola.
Free 99.
I want to mix some. I want the original bottle it came in.
Everything.
Everything. Like my list long.
Everything. Yeah, so this should be an interesting one. We're downtown Atlanta.
Hood.
And
I call it the hood.
yeah, Davia says it's the hood. I don't know.
It's probably not.
Did you guys know that Coca-Cola was originated in Atlanta? I didn't.
I did.
I didn't.
I did.
So I'm learning today and we're gonna learn together. So just keep watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at Rochelle on Instagram and Twitter. Email me at management@rochelle.com. And if you want to say hello, just comment and say hello. Let's go. 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 So guys, guess what? Just guess. So apparently we're not going to the Coca-Cola Museum anymore because they're sold out. It's the 4th of July weekend and everybody's here and it's completely sold out. Like we totally forgot that it's a holiday here. So yeah, maybe we'll try the aquarium because there's an aquarium in the back. I don't know if that's gonna be sold out as well. We could possibly try that or try someplace else. But I was really looking forward to going to the museum today, man. Oh. What are we gonna do? You wanna go to the aquarium?
The rafting one? Yeah, the rafting one was cool.
Okay, she's not talking to us. So guys, we're in a little bit of a rut. So the museums here are sold out. The Coca-Cola is sold out.
Everybody.
The Center for Civil and Human Rights Museum sold out. We forgot that it's the weekend. The aquarium is sold out. And apparently Atlanta, there's nothing else to do really. Hiking,
Eating,
and partying.
hiking, partying, but that's like in the night.
So there's nothing else in Atlanta.
She don't want to hike. There's so many beautiful falls, so many beautiful hiking spots, but she's like, you think I come all the way to Atlanta to come hike? Me can't hike to Jamaica.
Come
It's not the same.
my Jamaican
the same.
family, no talk truth what God love. You know what I really love Jamaica, but you come to Atlanta to come hike.
But
nice, good mountainous Jamaican Blue
no,
Mountain.
family and talk truth.
To come hike.
Tell her how it go. The world is a beautiful place and everywhere has its own characteristics, its own design, God's touch, God's love.
And man's
That
touch too.
listen, the hike where you get to Atlanta, you know, get the same hike in North Carolina, Jamaica, Trinidad, which part you're there.
I agree.
Hello, I'm here the cameraman.
I agree.
Me and the cameraman.
But you see, I agree.
Family.
But you see, for this trip,
In the comment section, everybody say who is all for Davia, and it's spelled Davia, and who is all for Roshi. But it's alright though. Me no say me already go in.
okay. Listen,
I'm here the
Dave.
cameraman.
Listen, I agree that everywhere is beautiful in its own unique way, but I don't want to leave Jamaica to come hiking.
Alright,
For
come
this,
shop then. Come
for
shop.
this, let's go shopping.
We're going to shop.
Let's go to the mall. I'll do that.
Hold on, let me
That is what we're gonna be doing. Because I'm not think so at all. It's not a long trip, it's a short trip. I don't want to go hiking right now in the middle of summer. I really wanted to go to the Coca-Cola Museum to hear how Coca-Cola was first made and to see what they're doing. But maybe another day, another time. So I'm just gonna go shopping. When all else fails, let's go shopping!